Arabic grammar is confusing. Trick: ignore most grammar at the beginning. Let me ask you something. Do you really need all the rules right now? The answer is no. Let's try this together. Read this sentence out loud. أنا أدرس. I am studying. Now read this one. أنا درست. I studied. That's it, present and past. Now let's add one more powerful step. Masculine and feminine. Say this. أنا طالب. I am a male student. Now this. أنا طالبة. I am a female student. أنا أدرس. أنا درست. أنا طالب. أنا طالبة. That's present, past, masculine, and feminine, all in simple examples. You've just covered the main grammar used in daily conversations. This trick saves time and gets you speaking faster.
Expand your Arabic skills with your free AlifBee app trial today. It's packed with interactive lessons, stories, vocabulary lists, quizzes, and exercises to boost all your skill levels. Start your journey now. Click the link in the description below to get your free trial before it's gone. AlifBee.app/free14. AlifBee. Learn Arabic the smart way.